Right then guys, welcome back. WLW, same as usual intro. I did do a video just now, I'll try to, but it's absolutely hammering down. Beautiful weather. But my phone is so stubborn with the rain, it just does not like it anymore. I tried to do a video on a new trail camera that I just got. First time using it, and I'll just show you about it. So, got a Amazon. I think the trail cam was 29 quid, something like that. But it won't work obviously without the memory card. So I had to get that as well. So that came to about £37 for the pair of them. And this is a trail cam T20 mini. Right. It comes with wall mounted USB user's manual and the screws. It takes 4 AA batteries, but get quite good ones because they do, whether or not good quality batteries, they do last not that long. I received this the other day, and my OCD kicked in with all my gear. I got all my gear in a certain way. I didn't really want to fancy leaving that up the mountain, but that's what I bought it for, so that's what I'm going to do. It took a while for it to get me to get used to it. It's obviously the first time I've used a trail camera. So yeah, I'll show you a couple of the modes on here now. So set that to the middle, which is set up. Let me give it a bit of wipe. But there you go. It's got night vision, black and white, up to 20 meters. It can take photos, obviously, and it can take videos, and it can take video and photos at the same time. Like I said, it did take me a while to get used to it, go for all the settings. So we'll do the photo first. So go to mode. All these settings. If you can see it properly. So I told you my camera on my phone just don't like the bloody rain. What is the thing? Well, anyway, you got different modes. Shot lag, sensitivity, motion sensors, blah 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 blah. So what we'll do the mode. I'm going to set it for photo first, right? So what I didn't get at the start with the shot lag, I think that was on about 5 minutes. So what I've done is dropped that down to 7 seconds, and I'll take a photo every 7 seconds instead of every 7 minutes. So I'll do it for 7. Right, okay. So I'll leave this in here, and you come with me. So what we're going to do, we've got to turn that to on, which will count down from 15 seconds. Close it up. So that's ready and that's taking photos right now. So what I'll do, I'll go out. No, actually I won't. So I'll just go by it. I'll just do it. Hopefully it'll work. Because like I said, I'm still trying to get used to it. It's the first time I've been using a trail camera. So hopefully that would have taken a couple, right? So I'll open it back out. Go back to the settings to switch it on. Sick, man. Balls. Let's try again. See a bit better now. Better for the right way. Right. So I'll play. Well, it took 15 photos. Okay. Set the cameras now. Pissing for me. Anyway, there's 15 photos there. And there's my animal movements as well. What it is. By the looks of it. The motion sensitivity is the infrared. There's a bit got a bit of cold air on it. So yeah, we'll delete that. Alright. Right. Set the video. Sorry if you can't see it. So I set the video. We'll change that to live, which is counting down. Ah, bloody hell. I'll do back. So when I stop flashing 15 times, that means it's active. When we go into standby mode, when the motion sensors are triggered, it'll start recording. So we'll right, let's try that. Turn it back on. Yeah, 28 seconds. And you can adjust the time as well. So I think it's 10 minutes. Let's play that. There we go. Yeah, it looks like the sensor a bit messed it up. That's right, it's not a really good clear picture. So yeah, that's the video. So stop that. Delete it. I don't want any unnecessary files on my camera, so I'll go back to mode. Back to and photo and video. So that's set now. Just shame we can't really see it, guys. Right, just it on. Counting down 15 seconds. And that's flashing 15 times. And that stops flashing again. Isn't it standby mode? And then let's try it. Yeah, let's try that. Back to the middle setup mode. Let's have a look. Right, yeah, it took 3 photos and 1 video. So, 1 video, that photo, 2 photo, 3 photo, a video. Oh, right, sorry, my bad. Video. Yeah, what I'm gonna give the sensor a bit of a wipe. Anyway. Delete all them again. Turn it off. All I do is take the batteries out as well. Don't really want them corroding. Give that a clean inside in a bit then. So yeah guys, that's the T20 trail camera mini. Thanks for watching, goodbye.